Hi there, welcome to Face Painting 101. Today I'm going to show you probably the most requested face paint designs right now, and that's Pokemon, but very specifically Pikachu. I can probably paint this in less than 2 minutes. It's very fast to do, and I'll be giving you all the supplies that you'll need and all the techniques that you will need in order to execute this beautifully. We are going to go from this to this. Let's get started.
These are the supplies we're going to be using today. First, with a sponge loaded, in my case with regular yellow and neon yellow, we're going to sponge the eyelids, just a little bit of the eyes, nice triangular ears near the edge of the eyebrows, and then we're going to be sponging half of the cheek. You don't want to overdo it, it'll look too heavy and too saggy. You want to do just half of the cheek. Then I'm going to show you how to do the red cheeks 2 different ways. One with a brush and one with a finger dabber. The hand was covering it with the brush, so I'm showing you on the board here. It takes a little bit more precision and a little bit more time, but you have more control on how big or small you want the cheek to be, like so. Then with a finger dabber, it's kind of a one size fits all, and you need to make sure that your dabber is loaded properly to get a nice perfect coverage on the cheeks. But overall, they look very similar, right? Then with a number 2 brush loaded in black, you're going to start outlining your Pikachu. Outlining your ears nice and small, doing some pointy little hairs on the forehead, just 2 or 3 spikes. And you know what? It is okay to not do everything in one stroke. Do one thing at a time. The ears, the cheeks, the nose. Don't rush it and do it all at once. This will give you more accuracy, and overall it will probably look better. Then you're going to do a really cute little, almost like a Minnie Mouse nose, and then loaded in white, your number 2 brush, you're going to start adding just a few highlights. I always say add highlights to everything, but honestly this one you could probably skip it. Then if you like, you can add a little bit of red glitter on the cheeks. I always ask people, do you want glitter? And the majority of them say yes, regardless on if they're boys or girls, and it really just makes the cheeks pop. Look how easy that was. The nice thing is that Pikachu is so forgiving. His ears are never perfect, so yours do not have to be either. Now we're going to do that exact same design on the practice board.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe to not miss any of the face paint tutorials we post right here. Bye bye!